Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an interesting review of the Glion DollyXL, an electric scooter designed for those who need to transport it on public transportation. If you're looking for a scooter that's both powerful and has an extended range, this might be the one for you. Let's dive into my hands-on review and see if it's worth your consideration. The Glion DollyXL is an upscaled version of the original Glion Dolly electric scooter. It offers a longer range, faster speed, and larger tires. However, it does come with a trade-off in terms of weight. In this review, we'll explore its features and performance to help you decide if it's the right scooter for your needs. The DollyXL features a clever folding design with collapsible handlebars, allowing you to easily fit it into tight spaces. Additionally, it comes equipped with a pair of luggage wheels, making it more convenient to roll around when folded. While the folding and rolling features are useful, I did find that the scooter becomes unstable on uneven surfaces or when attempting to turn. The DollyXL offers significant improvements over its predecessor. With nearly double the range, a slightly faster top speed, and a more powerful motor, it delivers a solid performance. However, weighing in at 40 pounds, it's a heavy scooter that requires some effort to carry. On the plus side, its larger tires provide a comfortable ride, even on bumpy roads. The DollyXL comes with a 36 volts 12.8 Ah battery, promising up to 28 miles of range under ideal conditions. However, in real-world usage, you can expect around 15 to 18 miles before needing to recharge. Keep in mind that the scooter's performance on hills may decrease as the battery level drops. When considering electric scooters, you have to prioritize what matters most to you: portability, power, or range. If you prioritize portability and are willing to sacrifice some range, the original Glion Dolly might be a better option for you. It offers folding handlebars and a second set of wheels while being more lightweight. On the other hand, if you have a longer commute and prioritize power and range, the Glion DollyXL is worth considering, despite its weight. That concludes our review of the Glion DollyXL. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Product Critique, for more insightful product reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.